Hi everyone! Welcome to my mini vlog. Today, we're unboxing something super exciting item. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga gamit pang kusina or panluto, para sa inyo ang video na to. So, let's go! Unahin na muna natin itong plate heat conducting. An advantage nito is for fast heating, temperature control, reduced cooking time, at syempre para hindi madaling madumihan ang ilalim ng ating pan. Next naman itong 4 set of non-stick cookware set frying pan with 7-in-1 kitchen non-stick silicone cooking tool set with rock